And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a curvy text shadow in Illustrator. Let us use the type tool. I simply use the word shadow. Let me align that properly to the center. And I use this font, brush, script, empty, italic. Now right click and create outlines, give it a stroke. I'll make that red for now, then go to window to open your stroke menu. And make sure you've got it aligned to outside. 5 points should be fine here, and now I make it white. Afterwards, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This way we copy it and paste the copy in back. So we've got two now. And I want to change the stroke color of the one in the back to a gray tone. Let me arrange it to back, so right click arrange and send to back, and now I use the arrow keys to the right and a little bit upwards. And now you can see the effect applied. That is almost what we want to have. Let me drag a copy out of it by holding Alt using the selection tool. And now I'll put a simple background behind it. So I use a rectangle, right click arrange, send to back, and I'll make this red. So now you can see that the white elements of the text that we've created, it's not transparent. If we use it on a white background, it works as transparent. But the moment the background has a different color, it doesn't look like the effect that we want to have. So let us select it. Then we'll go to Object, Path, and Outline Stroke. That way the stroke is turned into shapes, and now we use the Shape Builder tool and we get rid of everything that's white. So hold Alt to get rid of stuff, and we can connect the black shapes, so don't hold Alt, just drag. This process takes some time, and depending on your CPU, it takes a lot of resources and loading time. So I'm going to speed this video up a little bit. And here we are, this is our final result. Let me put the red background behind it and you can see the difference. Now we've got all of the white shapes deleted, and this is the effect that we wanted to create. But I see that I've forgot the little detail on the S. Let me zoom in, I'll hold Alt and use the mouse wheel. I select it, and then I use the Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and get rid of that. So you need to be careful with these little details. But it's the way you can create these curvy text shadows in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.